In 2024, the electric scooter market has soared to new heights, offering eco-conscious consumers an array of innovative options perfect for navigating the bustling city streets or leisurely suburban paths. With advancements in battery technology, enhanced safety features, and sleek designs, choosing the best electric scooter now hinges on personalized needs and lifestyle preferences. In this guide, we'll explore the top contenders that have dominated this year, each celebrated for its exceptional performance, reliability, and user-friendly features, ensuring you make an informed decision tailored to your commuting or recreational desires. At number 5 is the Hiboy S2/S2 R Plus electric scooter. The Hiboy S2/S2 R Plus electric scooter marks a significant leap in urban commuting solutions, blending high-end performance with user-centric features. It features a 350-watt electric brushless hub motor that reaches speeds up to 19 miles per hour, making it a solid choice for those needing swift transit options. It is also equipped with a high-capacity battery that promises a maximum range of 17 miles under optimal conditions, ideal for daily commutes without frequent recharges. Robust and reliable, the scooter's design emphasizes stability and durability. Solid tires coupled with a well-built frame ensure longevity and a smoother ride, even in less than ideal urban conditions. This build quality fosters confidence among users who need a dependable mode of transport that can tackle the rigors of daily commuting. Safety is another critical aspect of the Hiboy S2/S2R, featured in its 3 strategically placed lights ensuring visibility from all directions. The dual system of a disc brake and ABS regenerative anti-lock braking considerably enhances safety, giving riders peace of mind by minimizing stopping distances effectively. Adding a modern tech flair, the Hiboy S2's compatibility with the Hiboy app introduces convenience through features like remote locking, custom speed setting, and cruise control, directly accessible from a smartphone. This integration enhances the overall user experience, making it more tailored to individual preferences. The scooter's portable design facilitates easy storage and transport. It effortlessly folds down to fit in compact spaces, such as car trunks or under subway seats, and the option of a detachable seat enhances comfort for longer commutes. At number 4 is the Hiboy S2 Pro electric scooter. The Hiboy S2 Pro electric scooter effortlessly bridges the gap between performance and practicality, making it an ideal choice for adults seeking a reliable commuting solution. Equipped with a potent 500-watt electric brushless hub motor, this scooter offers speeds of up to 19 miles per hour, which is more than sufficient for urban environments. Additionally, its superior 36V/11.6 Ah battery delivers an impressive maximum range of up to 25.6 miles under optimal conditions, ensuring you can complete your daily commutes on a single charge. Designed for comfort, the S2 Pro features 10-inch solid tires, along with rear dual shock absorbers. This thoughtful integration provides a notably smooth ride over diverse terrains, from city streets to modestly rough pathways, absorbing bumps and promoting stability. The comfort is addressed without compromising the scooter's robust load capacity, which can support up to 220 pounds. Safety is prioritized with ultra-bright headlights extending visibility up to 15 meters, a crucial feature for night riding. Moreover, the scooter integrates a reliable dual braking system, which combines disc braking and ABS regenerative anti-lock braking, providing prompt, controlled stops and additional safety. Practicality is also a key feature of the S2 Pro. It offers an easy fold-down mechanism for storage in compact spaces such as bike trucks, under office desks, or in public transportation. For those seeking extra comfort, an additional detachable seat can be installed, although it's sold separately. The Hiboy S2 Pro is supplemented by the Hiboy S2 app, which enhances user experience by allowing scooter locking and customization of acceleration and braking responses at your fingertips. At number 3 is the Gotrax GXL V2 Series electric scooter for adults. The Gotrax GXL V2 Series electric scooter stands out as a dependable and efficient choice for daily commuting and casual urban travel. Emphasized as the most classic, mature, and reliable scooter in the Gotrax lineup, the GXL V2 combines a suite of highlights designed for a straightforward and enjoyable riding experience. Equipped with a 250-watt motor, the scooter is capable of reaching speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour, underlining its competence in maintaining a brisk pace that's ideal for weaving through city traffic or cruising on campus pathways. Despite its robust power, the motor operates efficiently, ensuring that noise and energy consumption are kept to a minimum. One of its significant advantages is the 36V 5.2 a long-life battery, which reliably supports up to 12 miles of range on a single charge. This feature, coupled with the cruise control system, allows riders to enjoy a consistent speed without constant throttle management, enhancing the overall ride convenience. The GXL V2 also revolutionizes the ride comfort with its 8.5 inches inner honeycomb solid tires. Unlike traditional air-filled tires, these are maintenance-free, immune to punctures, and provide a cushier ride across varied terrains. It's a vital trait for those seeking a hassle-free commute. For ultimate practicality, the scooter boasts an easy one-step folding mechanism that collapses it down to a compact size for convenient storage in car trunks, under subway seats, or beside desks at work or school. Weighing just 27 pounds, it is notably portable, presenting a manageable load even for younger users or those frequently on the move. At number 2 is the Gotrax G4 Series electric scooter. The Gotrax G4 Series electric scooter exemplifies modern commuting with its robust specifications and secure design. Ideal for adults seeking a reliable transit option, the G4 Series is powered by a 500-watt motor enabling speeds up to 20 miles per hour. It also boasts an impressive array of range options from 25 up to 45 miles, supported by a high-capacity 36V 17.5 AH630WH LG battery, making long-distance traveling feasible and efficient. Security is a major highlight. The G4 Series ensures peace of mind with a sophisticated electric code lock and a built-in anti-theft cable lock. This double protection effectively guards against unauthorized use and theft, a compelling feature for those parking in public or less secure areas. For comfort and ease of use, the scooter comes equipped with 10 inches pneumatic tires that excel in shock absorption, smoothing out rides over various terrains. Complemented by a wide 6.7-inch deck with a soft silicone pad, the G4 Series offers a stable and comfortable platform that accommodates a range of riders, supporting weights up to 264 pounds. Functionality is enhanced through a multifunctional LED display that showcases important metrics like speed, mileage, and battery status, simplifying ride monitoring. Safety features are also comprehensive, including a bright headlight and taillights for improved visibility, coupled with an effective EABS Plus disc braking system that ensures responsive and safe stopping. At number 1 is the iScooter electric scooter adults. The iScooter electric scooter 9.3 model is a versatile and high-performing personal transport tool, well-suited for a myriad of uses from urban commuting to off-road adventures. It features an 800-watt powerful brushless motor, enabling top speeds of up to 25 miles per hour and tackling inclines between 20 to 25 degrees with ease. This makes it an excellent choice for areas with varying terrain and for riders who demand a bit more from their scooter. Equipped with a robust 48V/10H battery, the 9.3 proudly offers a range between 20 to 25 miles on a single charge. This impressive range makes it a viable option for daily commutes and extensive rides without the worry of frequent recharges. Additionally, the scooter is designed with 10-inch off-road pneumatic tubeless tires which provide stability and comfort, even on rough surfaces, paired with front and rear dual shock absorbers to enhance the ride quality further. A standout feature of the 9.3 is its height-adjustable handlebar, accommodating riders of different statures and providing a more customized and comfortable riding experience. The scooter also integrates practical elements like directional signals, ambient lighting, and strong front headlights and tail lights, enhancing visibility and safety for night riding. Moreover, the iScooter 9.3 is foldable and relatively lightweight at 51 pounds, facilitating easy portability and storage. It supports up to 264 pounds, making it accessible for a wide range of users. Ride customization is made simple through the Mini Robot app, allowing adjustments to speed settings and scooter security. Overall, with conscientious customer support, a sturdy build, and advanced features, the iScooter 9.3 is an attractive option for those seeking a reliable, agile, and feature-packed electric scooter.